Hello English learners from around the world, a huge welcome to our online EEC class. I'm your coach Doreen, and here today we shall explore a new vocabulary, practice speaking, and also boost your confidence in English as you learn the new vocabulary. So let's begin. Let's begin the adventure, and the new adventure today is trying to understand what homophones are, or what are homophones. Let's dive in. Now, homophones, in simple terms, you can say these are words that are spelled differently. They are words that are spelled differently, have different meaning, but they have the same sound. You spell them differently, they have different meaning, but when you say them, the sound is the same. Now, let's look at why should we have homophones, like why should we learn homophones in the language, in the English language. There are several reasons as to why we should learn homophones, and they include: you can understand what people are saying, you can choose the correct word when you speak, and also you're able to identify the common ones, and also you can be able to practice how to use them correctly in spoken sentences. Now, you also can be able to understand the different meanings even if they have a similar sound. Alright, so let's look at some simple exercise here, or warm up. Now listen carefully. There are two words like we have already here, cat and hat. You're going to say if the words are different or they are the same. You should be able to identify if they are different or if they are the same. Now in the picture one we have cat, picture two we have hat. What's the lady's wearing? Now cat and hat, they are different because you have k and then h. So you have cat and hat. Okay, these are different. Okay, let's look at the second one. The second one, blue and blue. These are same, blue and blue. Like blue balloon, like blue, like windsock. When it's blue, the second blue is the past tense of the verb blow. To blow, or blue, blue is the past tense of the verb to blow. So you blow, it's blue, like the first one is a blue balloon, the blue color. I love blue balloons. Blue, blow the windsock or blow a trumpet. Same, it means the same. Okay, chair and share. Chair, share. These are different. You have ch and you have sh. Ch and sh. Chair, share. And then share. In picture two, share. Picture three, share. Okay, that means to do something with a friend together. Okay, then look at this other one, which is two, two, two and two. Two and two are the same because the sound is the same. Two and two, like two, maybe to school, two to the house, and thank you too. Yeah, they're the same. Now let's look at the second one. Sorry, let's look at the common homophones with examples. Common homophones with examples. We'll begin with the simplest, like two. Now, example, but with, let's say we're going to look at a homophone word, and then we look at its meaning, one, and then we look at the meaning two, also with examples. Now the first one, two. Now two is a preposition, to. Too, two is a word that means also or very. For example, me too, it's too cold, or you can say it's very cold. Me too means me also. Okay, then two is just a number, like I have two brothers, I have two sisters, I have 5 cousins. Then buy, and buy. Buy, the first buy is to purchase. Go to the shop and buy something. I want to buy a book, I want to buy a pen, I want to buy a car. Buy two means near or a method. For example, sit by me, travel by car. Sit by me, that is near. Then travel by car, that means it's a means of transport, like. Then bye means farewell, like goodbye. Say goodbye. More examples, we have C, C and C, where the first C means ocean, like water. The sea is blue. The sea is blue. Okay. The second C is to look with your eyes. I see a bird. I see the sun in the sky. Okay. Another word is here and here. Here, that means you're using your ears. And the second here is this place, like here, like come here. So the first one here, like, can you hear me? Or like he can hear. Can you hear me? Can she hear me? Can they hear me? Or are they hearing me? Something like that. And then let's look at more examples. More examples. Look at the word write and write. Write, the first write actually means to write with a pen or a pencil or a marker. You're writing. When you write, please write your name. Like put it down on, write it down in your book. And then write number 2 means correct or direction. That's right. Turn right. That's right. Sah. Or turn right. Okay. Then flower and flower. Flower and flower. Now, flower first is a plant, like a beautiful flower, beautiful rose flower. Flour 2 is for baking. We use flour to make bread. Yeah, we use it to make bread. We also use it to make some chapati. We use flour to make some dumplings. Yeah, to make dumplings. All right, so we're still having more examples. We have where and where, where and where which means a place, and the second one means clothes. For example, where are you? Where is she? Where are they? The second one is I wear a blue shirt. I wear a dress. I wear my shoes. Then 8 and 8. 8 and 8. 8 number 1 is to eat. To eat food. I eat pizza. Or I ate pizza yesterday. 8 number 2 is a number. I have 8 books. I have 8 brothers. Okay. Now let's practice. Let's practice now. Time for practice. Let's listen and choose the correct homophone that fits the meaning of the sentence. That fits the meaning of the sentence. For example, I want to go to the park. So the first sentence we use to as in to. That is a place. The second one is do you dash his name? We have know and know. Know is information, so do you know his name? Now there are many other questions that you can practice. Please find time, pause your video and try to answer some of these questions that you have not looked at in class, because I've left for you enough of them for your practice. So get pen and paper, try to answer some of these questions in this exercise. So otherwise, there are quite a number of them. Just for your practice, just for your getting familiar with the exercise or with homophones. And then that was fantastic work today, my English learners. Remember, practice makes perfect. It makes your English much clearer and more accurate. Try to use these words this week. And I think with that, see you in the next video.